We're at the second unit for the second floor, the one that does not control the master bedroom. We're on the return side. There's a break in the sealant for the return side, which is sucking hot, humid air from the attic into the machine. Okay, we're up in the second air conditioning unit for the second floor air condition, and you can see smoke going into a hole on the return side, which is contributing to the air conditioning unit not working properly, not removing the moisture. Okay, we're blowing smoke now into the line set, which we have leaks, which is causing cool air-conditioned air to blow into the attic.